These are the skinny PU faux leather pants. So these come in two different shades. You can do them in more of this shine finish that I'm showing here, as well as the matte finish, which I'll show in the next video. So these have a great size selection. They come in size small through 5XL. So mega size choices there. I do think that these fit very much true to size. Plus they have a ton of stretch, as you can see here. So the shine looks excellent. I feel like it is very just like body smoothing, body contouring. They look almost painted on, which is exactly how you want your leather pants or leather leggings to look on. So I'm wearing these in the size medium. In inches, it has a 24.4 waist, hip size 29.1, and length of 35.8. This one fit great. I feel like I could have also gone for a large if I wanted a little bit more room in there. I'm usually kind of right between a medium and a large. These are a great alternative to leggings if you're somebody who loves wearing pants or leggings. This is just like a more dressed up version of leggings that you could wear out for dinner, out for lunch, whatever it is you're up to. So I love too that these have a super thick band up top, just super thick slimming and just kind of smooths and tucks everything you want there, as well as like firming through the legs and booty. So you can see you get like a nice booty lift illusion with how these fit. Awesome reflection too. I love pairing these. Sometimes I'll do it with a leather top up top as well. Or you can do like a white leather if you have one. Sometimes I'll do like a rocker style shirt or a white crop top. They really are a versatile piece. So now I'm showing the matte version of these. You can see very similar, same dimensions all around as what it was to the glossier finish that we had looked at. But yeah, I'm a super fan of these. The stitching on them is great. They are fairly breathable. I have had some leather pants before that were fleece lined, and I mean, it is nice to have that extra warm layer on them, but I don't particularly want to have that extra warmness when I'm wearing leather pants because of the material of them themselves. It's just not something that I want to be overheating in for sure. So really love this. I feel like these can be worn year-round as well. So leather leggings with like a spaghetti strap top or something like I'm wearing here. Great for the summer. Throw a little pair of spiky heels with them. Combat boots also work well. Or flats, or if you even have black flip-flops. So again, footwear can also be super versatile as well. Can't recommend these enough. These have become a staple in my closet.